Hi there. Have you experienced unsuccessful updates from Windows? You can try updating your Windows by typing updates on the search bar in your taskbar, and clicking the check for updates. You can install updates on this screen. But for certain reason, you cannot install your updates and this error keeps on popping up. Don't worry. We have a solution for you. This is proven tested in all the active Windows version including Windows 11. First step. Open your command prompt. Type in prompt in the search bar and open the command prompt. You must run the command prompt as an administrator for this to work. On the command prompt, please type the following, and press the enter key. Wait for the message that says, the operation completed successfully. Step 3. Close the command prompt and immediately restart your PC. If you restart later, this may not work. Step 4. After restarting, please proceed to Windows Update and try to download and install the updates. The updates will have to restart your PC during the installation process. As you can see on the screen, we successfully installed the updates without any error. Problem solved. If problem persists, try it several times and it will eventually install. Always remember to restart your PC after a successful command prompt. Thank you all for watching. Please support this channel by liking this video and leaving a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and click the bell icon to be updated on our latest videos about technology, PC, and the internet. Have a great day.